Morning everyone, welcome to my new channel. Today we are going to learn the basics of core Java. I won't start with what is a programming language because its answer would be obviously known to all of you. In this series, we will try to cover as many topics in core Java as possible, even with the help of some programming examples. So, coming back to the topic, Java is a high level, robust, secured, and portable object oriented programming language. Java makes an effort to eliminate error prone situations by emphasizing mainly on compile time error checking and runtime checking, thus making it robust. Security is another feature which we will learn in the upcoming videos. Besides this, portability mechanism and OOPS concept is what makes Java so popular. We will come to that, but for now, why Java came into existence? So, in the early 1990s, the technology wasn't as much developed as it is today. A team at the Sun Microsystem, they were working on a project and they developed Java language in the process. This was earlier named Oak, but this name was already taken by some other company. Therefore, James Gosling, who was the leader of the team behind the development of Java, he renamed Oak as Java. Though there is no official abbreviation of Java, its unofficial abbreviation is just another virtual analyzer, as said by some authors. Coming to the goals, like every new product are aimed at, Java intended to provide interactive television. The objective was write once and run anywhere, indicating to give platform independency, which wasn't given by C++. Also, internet was to be much developed as the web pages were all static and not so dynamic and cool looking like those available today. So these are some features of Java about which you can search online to get the theory in detail. In the next video, we will come up with versions of Java. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.